How does religious pluralism shape human rights evolution? Imagine living in a world where many different beliefs coexist, each with its own ideas about what is right and wrong. That's what religious pluralism is all about. It means societies have multiple religious traditions living side by side. This diversity influences how human rights develop over time. It pushes us to think beyond one-size-fits-all ideas and consider different cultural and religious contexts. Religious pluralism encourages us to respect each other's beliefs and find common ground. When different faiths are part of the same society, laws and policies often need to be flexible. For example, some communities want protections for their religious practices while still respecting individual freedoms. This balance helps shape human rights to be more inclusive and sensitive to local traditions. From an ethical point of view, religious pluralism promotes mutual respect. It teaches us that everyone deserves dignity, no matter what they believe. Politically, this leads to laws that support religious freedom without favoring one faith over another. Many countries separate religion from government to prevent any single belief system from dominating. This separation helps ensure that no group feels excluded or discriminated against. Religious pluralism also affects how we talk about human rights. Different religions often base their ideas of rights on divine or moral principles. Secular perspectives, on the other hand, focus on reason and human dignity. When these views coexist, they create a richer conversation about what rights mean. This diversity in justifications makes democratic societies stronger because more voices are heard. But it's not always smooth sailing. Sometimes, religious identities are used to justify exclusion or unfair treatment. Conflicts can happen when religious groups clash over rights or political power. These tensions make it harder to promote universal human rights. Policymakers must carefully navigate these issues to protect everyone's rights without fueling division. Practically, societies develop legal systems that recognize different religious needs. For example, some countries allow religious communities to govern their own affairs as long as they respect national laws. This approach helps maintain peace and allows faith groups to practice freely. It also encourages peaceful coexistence, even when beliefs differ greatly. In the end, religious pluralism shapes how human rights grow by urging us to respect diversity, create flexible laws, and include many moral viewpoints. It challenges us to think more inclusively and adapt rights to fit different cultural and religious settings. This ongoing process helps build societies where everyone can feel valued and protected, no matter their faith.